In this video, we're going to show how to start and log into the Thick client. In order to use the client, you don't have to install anything. The client is a Java Web Start application that you simply download from the AAI web interface. Once it's started, you'll need credentials, an ID and password to log in. In our case, the client is already installed. We can tell by the icon. There's nothing preventing us from downloading it again. If the client was not there, you would go through this procedure and the icon would get created on your desktop. You simply enter the URL in the browser to access the AAI web interface version 1. This information should have been given to you. The URL is the host of the AAI web UI and the port /web/v1. The web interface is probably secure with HTTPS connections, so keep this in mind. We have it as a shortcut, so we just use that. You should have been given an ID and password to the web interface. You enter it here. We're going to be using the admin credentials, but yours will be different. Unless you're an administrator, you may or may not see part or any of this information. In order to download the client, simply click on the Unity icon. This will download the Java Web Start file, which you'll find in your downloads. The file will be called jaws.jnpl. The application downloads. You can shut off the web UI and go to the icon, although AAI normally starts it automatically for you at this point. Use your client ID to log in. You're now logged into the client.